Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by verifying power availability. Plug in AC or ensure battery charge. Once done, locate the power button. Many devices use a short press to wake and a long press to force off. Press deliberately, you should feel or hear a click. If the device has a protective cover, open it first so the button is fully accessible. Do this to prevent accidental holds and to ensure the button mechanism engages cleanly. That avoids misreads by the system. You press the power button to start boot. A quick tap initiates normal startup, while holding 3 to 5 seconds can trigger recovery or BIOS menus. Watch the display and indicator lights for confirmation. Logos, progress bars, or beeps tell you the system is responding. Make sure to follow on-screen prompts. Enter your PIN or choose a boot device if asked. If you need advanced settings, pause at the menu. Otherwise, let the system finish initializing before interacting with apps. You finish by choosing shutdown or restarting from the operating system for a clean power off. This preserves files and settings. If the device freezes, a forced shutdown via a 6 to 10 second hold cuts power. Use it sparingly because it can risk data loss. If nothing happens, inspect power cables and battery seating. Make sure connectors are clean. One key troubleshooting tip: remove internal battery when safe, wait 30 seconds, then reinsert and try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.